So today I'm going to reveal my new project for this year. I've partnered up with Genesis to build a 2025 G70. And it's going to be awesome. I'm not sure what to do yet, so I'm gonna have you guys chime in below to see what we should do. Wheels, suspension, big turbo, exhaust, downpipe. I mean, what do you guys want me to do to this build? Completely open. I'm not just gonna base this out of my style. Obviously, I'm gonna build it to my standards, but I want you guys to help me out. This is the 25 G70 3.3 liter twin turbo V6. 365 horse, but I suspect it's kind of underrated because every time I drive this thing, it's a complete beast and it sounds absolutely amazing. Here's a clip from my previous drive. The turbo is a whirly boy. You can literally hear it. The exhaust sounds great. And then this one's actually a little bit different because the Vanna gray, so it's kind of like a Nardo-ish gray, and then the interior, let's come around here real quick, let me open this door. The interior is red, as you can see, and obviously the typical Genesis trim line's always amazing. All right, I'll show you some B-roll on that later, but the quarters right here, I absolutely love the quarters. So as you can see right here, it's super buff, so if I do decide to go on a wide body, or like I do a wide body kit for this, I mean, it looks pretty good already. And then if you come around right here, check out the taillights. Dude, the taillights, probably my favorite feature about this car. Because I love this laser look. I'm not sure what they call it, but if you come in closer, there are actually like little patterns in the light. And I think they have them in most of their cars, but that's a pretty cool texture that you can't really see from the camera, but in person, it's pretty awesome. Now, if you look back here, all right, we're gonna go do a complete straight back end shot. It looks so freaking good, dude. I think Genesis did a really good job on this car. I mean, they do a good job on all their cars, but especially this one, because for a guy like me, all right, I'm in like my 30s, I want something a little bit more grown up, but sporty. Everything is pretty much on this car from the factory. Like, they have this trunk that has a built-in spoiler ducktail looking thing. All right, so if you come over here, look at the side profile right here, you can see that it's got a little ducktail. See that? It's got a little whoop slope. This will retail you just under 60K fully loaded, which is absolutely insane. And it's an all-wheel drive. You can also get this in a rear-wheel drive version if you want to do like drifting or whatever. Engine bay, let me show you the engine bay real quick. The turbos are right here. It's hard to see on video. I'll do some B-rolls, but a turbo there and a turbo over here. These are the air intakes. There's a lot of room here for big turbos. So maybe we'll do suspension first, wheels, maybe a lip kit, and then big turbos. I mean, the two turbos could live here. So I'm looking forward to this partnership with Genesis and pretty stoked about this build.